Michelangelo. Michelangelo Resort and Spa is a luxurious 5-star hotel located on the eastern coast of Kos, Greece, near the village of Agios Fokas. Perched on a hilltop overlooking the Aegean Sea, the resort offers stunning panoramic views and a serene atmosphere. Michelangelo Resort and Spa accommodations and amenities. The resort features 254 rooms and suites, many with furnished sea view verandas. Each room is equipped with modern comforts such as air conditioning, cable TV, mini bar, and free Wi-Fi. Guests can enjoy a variety of amenities, including 3 outdoor pools, highlighted by a striking infinity pool that offers breathtaking sea views, an indoor pool and a dedicated children's pool, a full-service spa offering treatments like aromatherapy, body scrubs, and Swedish massages, multiple dining options, including 3 on-site restaurants serving Italian cuisine and offering ocean views. Guest experiences reviews highlight the resort's exceptional facilities, cleanliness, and friendly staff. The expansive infinity pool and private beach are particularly praised. Some guests have noted that while the food is generally good, it can become repetitive during longer stays. Location and accessibility. Michelangelo Resort and Spa is situated approximately 8 kilometers from Coast Town, providing a tranquil retreat with convenient access to local attractions. The resort's secluded location offers a peaceful environment, complemented by the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape. For more detailed information or to make reservations, you can visit the official website.